In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to perform a CMOS reset. What do you need? A container to put the screws in, a screwdriver, and finally a spudger. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Unplug the battery first. Then disconnect the CMOS battery. Wait 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, reconnect the battery. And reconnect the CMOS also. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.